Hello and welcome back. My name is Amir, and in this video we're going to solve yet another puzzle from the Codewars website. We're still at difficulty 5, and let's see what we are having for today. We have solved this one, so let's go to this. The hashtag generator. Okay, the marketing team is spending way too much time typing in hashtags. Let's help them with our own hashtag generator. Cool. So here's the deal. It must start with a hashtag with this symbol, okay. All the words must have their first letter capitalized. Okay, if the final result is longer than 100 characters, then it must return false. And if the input or the result is an empty string, then we should return false as well. So in this case, the T should be in capital, the T capital, F capital, and so on, as you can see here. And we remove all the spaces and add a hashtag here. The same is here, so we ignore all the white space here and here after the word and before the hello, and for an empty string we just return false. Okay, it's a good time to pause the video and try to solve it by yourself. Otherwise, let's go and solve it together. So this is the function name. Let's go here, add it here. So if the string is empty, we should return false. So I would say if str.trim, which trims the white space from the beginning and the end of the string. If this is an empty string, then we should return false. So this is the first step. Otherwise, let's call it with hash. We would like to break this string based on spaces and then capitalize all the words that we see here and then join them back together. So I would say that first split the string by white space, and then let me return the with hash here and call the function here so we can see the result and log it, of course. So let's say A, B, C, and then D, E, F, or like this, D, E, F. Okay, now as you can see, we get an array of 2 items. Now I need to capitalize this one, so the D should be capitalized. So again, I would map each of the elements to be a capitalized letter, but the capital should be like only this one. So when I am having this word DEF, I should split this again to 2 parts, the first letter and then the rest of it. So I would say X dot char at let's say 0 dot to uppercase, like so. And you can see that now I have the first letters and I need to add the rest of them, so B, C, and D, E, F here. So this plus the X dot slice from 1. So here we cut the word in 2 parts, the first letter, which is here, converted to uppercase, and then from the second letter onwards. Okay, now I need to join them back together. So let's say join and like this. Okay, as you can see, I have the string like here, and if I add, let's say something like this, it's still working. And yeah, I believe this is it. But in the beginning, maybe we need to add the hashtag in the start as well, so the hash is added. And the empty cases are also taken care of here. So if I have it like this, you can see that we have a bunch of empty values here in our array, but as we are joining them back together based on nothing, those would go away. Okay, so this is it. So let me see if we missed anything. So yeah, if the input result is longer than 100, we must return false. So let's take care of that as well. We would say that if the hash dot length is greater than 140, then we return false. Otherwise, we return the with hash. And yeah, I believe this is the correct answer. So let's copy this and paste it here and see what's the result. Let's do a test, pass, and then attempt to solve it. So yeah, thank you for watching, and in the next video we'll continue our journey into the higher levels.